Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about the best way to handle invoices and payments with QuickBooks. I've been using QuickBooks for years and I've developed a simple three-step process that keeps my cash flow healthy and my books clean. 1. Invoice creation. Precision is key. The first and most crucial step is setting up your invoices correctly right from start. Don't skip the details. It saves headaches later. When I create an invoice in QuickBooks, I always do three things. Customize it. Make sure your logo is on it and that your payment terms, like net 30 or due on receipt, are clearly stated. This sets expectations immediately. Use the item/service list. Never manually type in a description. I use the pre-saved products and services list for everything I bill. This ensures consistency and links the revenue directly to the correct income account, which is vital for accurate reporting. Double-check client details. Before sending, confirm the correct client email and mailing address are attached. If you're charging sales tax, make sure the correct tax rate is applied to the correct line items. A well-crafted invoice is half the battle won. 2. Simplifying payment collection. The best way to handle payments is to make it as easy as possible for your client to pay you. For me, that means utilizing QuickBooks integrated payment processing. When I send an invoice, I always ensure the allow customers to pay with credit card or bank transfer option is checked. Yes, there is a small processing fee, but I've found that I get paid significantly faster, often within 24 or 48 hours, which is a huge net positive for my business. I consider the processing fee a cost of doing business and better cash flow. It's also important to follow up. I use QuickBooks automated reminders feature. Once an invoice is overdue, QuickBooks automatically sends a polite email follow-up, so I don't have to spend my time chasing payments. 3. The recording process, matching and reconciliation. The final step is the most important for maintaining accurate books, recording the payment correctly. When a client pays online through the QuickBooks link, the payment is automatically recorded. But when I receive a check or a direct bank transfer outside of the QuickBooks system, I have to record it manually. Here's my tip. Always use the record payment button on the invoice first. This marks the invoice as paid and puts the funds into a temporary account called undeposited funds. Then, and this is critical, I go to the plus icon and select bank deposit. I group all the checks and manual transfers that I'm depositing together and deposit them from undeposited funds into my actual bank account. The reason I do this is so that the single deposit amount in QuickBooks exactly matches the single deposit amount that hits my bank statement. This simple step makes bank reconciliation at the end of the month quick and painless. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.